What's up, friend? Hector here, StrongAsHeck.com with this week's workout of the week. So I've been working on some pretty cool stuff for you. It's been a little while since I've been dropping some workouts of the week because I've been working on some cool stuff for you. So we're going to be taking a small turn when it comes to our strength training exercises on this channel for a little bit. A lot of the times, and for good reason, strength training should be exactly that, focused on strength training, right? A lot of times people confuse strength and conditioning with conditioning and more conditioning. There's really not a strength component added in there. So strength work should definitely be focused as strength. But with the right programming, you can actually improve endurance through strength training. And that's what we're gonna be focusing on here in this segment of the channel, is how to improve endurance and how to improve respiration in the strength exercises. Yes, we're gonna focus on how to improve respiration in the strength exercises. So we're gonna be using the press and the squat, and we're gonna be programming it out just a few different ways through series and circuits and all kinds of good stuff. So let's dive right into that. I'm gonna be diving into a single bell protocol. And so if you only have one bell, this is a great training program for you. And I'm also gonna show you how to use this eventually if you have one bell of two different sizes. All right, so let's dive into it. Let's dive into that. I'm gonna head on over the board. We're gonna lay this out, and we're gonna get into it. So we got the protocol all put together. You can see it right over my shoulder. So what we're gonna be doing is we're going to be doing a circuit. We're gonna be working on our single bell press, and we're gonna be working on our single bell kettlebell swing. And we're gonna be sandwiching those two exercises, all right? So we're gonna be breaking them up into a series. So we're gonna do a series of swings, and then we're gonna do a series of presses. At the end of both series, that completes a circuit, and then I'll have you go on to complete however many circuits. So let's just do a quick little overview. All right, hopefully you can see this over my shoulder. So we've got, starting with one arm swing, okay? One arm swing, five right, and then we're gonna knock them out E20. E20 means every 20 seconds. So every 20 seconds, we're gonna knock out 5 one-arm swings, all right? So we got 5 right, 5 left, 5 right, okay? We'll be done just before the 1 minute mark. You're gonna rest top of the minute plus 1 minute, okay? By then it'll be 2 minutes. At the 2 minute mark, we're gonna go into our press series. We're gonna be working on presses. Presses will be 3 right, 3 left, 3 right, every 20 seconds, all right? At the end of that, we'll rest top of the minute plus 1 minute. By the time we're done with that rest period, the clock should read about 4 minutes, okay? From there, we're gonna go right back to one arm swing. This time we're starting on the left side. 5 left, 5 right, 5 left, every 20 seconds. Rest top of the minute plus a minute. By now that's 2, 4, 6. By now the clock will read 6 minutes in. Then we finish out with one more set of one arm swings. That should, I'm sorry, not one arm swings, that's a typo. Presses. We're gonna finish with our last set of presses. 3 right, going to the left side. 3 left, 3 right, 3 left again, every 20 seconds. Rest top of the minute. This time we're done with the circuit, so we're gonna rest 2 minutes. So each circuit is gonna take 9 minutes, all right? And then from there, you'll go on to complete however many circuits I've got set up for you, all right? So let's jump in. And there you have it, friend. A simple 2-series exercise circuit to improve respiratory, which is oxygen intake, to improve respiratory in the strength exercises. And we're doing that by sandwiching today the press and the one-arm swing. So you saw I did all swings are always sets of 5, and you're alternating sides. So you're doing 5 swings right, 5 swings left, 5 swings right, and you're doing that every 20 seconds, okay? So you'll finish that last set of swings at like 55 seconds or so. You're gonna rest at the top of the minute plus an additional minute. After that rest period, clock will read 2 minutes, then you start your presses. You're gonna knock out a series of presses. 3 presses right, 3 presses left, 3 presses right, every 20 seconds. Rest to the top of the minute plus another minute. By then the clock says 4 minutes. Then you're gonna go back to the one-arm swing. But now you're gonna start on the other side. You're gonna go 5 swings right, 5 swings left, 5 swings right. Every 20 seconds. Rest top of the minute plus another minute. Then you're gonna finish with your last series of presses. 5 presses right, 3 presses. 3 presses right, 3 presses left, 3 presses right again. That evens out both sides. Rest to the top of the minute plus 2 minutes because you completed the circuit, you get that extra rest. All right, so choose a bell that you know that you can easily knock out 10, maybe 15 presses with and put this into action. All right, so I'll put all the details in the description below of how many circuits you need to do, and then from there you've got yourself a nice quick workout to stay in shape at home. All right, so if you're liking the videos, be sure to subscribe, be sure to give me a thumbs up. There's a couple other videos I'll post up here in the corners where you can check out some of the other workouts that we got going on the channel. All right, so stay tuned. We got some really cool improving respiratory and strength exercises. We're gonna be working on a whole entire series for you here on the channel. And also in the description, if you want more workouts, you can grab our free ebook, Kettlebell Workout Snacks, where I show you how to get in shape in less than 45 minutes a week using 1 or 2 kettlebells, whatever you have. All right, so that's it. HectorStrongAsHeck.com with this week's workout of the week.